Here's a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Within all of us is a need for adventure. For a Jeep owner, that need is something greater. After all, it takes a certain breed of adventure to embrace its iconic capability, to require the all-weather potential that testifies to its off-road prowess. Hill Start Assist, a Pentastar V6 engine, tow hooks, fog lamps, and advanced multi-stage airbags come standard. Plus, its 4 doors make loading and unloading a breeze. And at the end of the day, the durable and washable interior with drain plugs lets you clean up after some not-so-clean fun.
Go topless with this convertible.
Authentic, rugged, iconic. This 4x4 Freedom machine is ready to impress. Come in for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.